This video is just going to look at how to look into the stockroom and see what boards are available to be allocated to different customers. So an example of when this might occur is if you're trying to fill an order for a particular retailer and you want to see what's available in the stock. What we need to do is come to the control screen. So to get there we go Control and Control Tools. This screen basically is used for production and making sure we can see what's going through production and what stage it's at. So to see what's in the stock room, we can filter all of these different columns in the blue bar. So to see the stock room, we just click under tracking stage and go down to stock room and hit enter, or you can click search. So these are all the boards at the moment that are in the stock room. We can see they're all for demo surfboards, which is our demo manufacturer. So you can see there's the 6-gear model, here's all the different sizes, futures. If we want to see more information on this board, we can just click on that bar or click on the drop down arrow on the left here. We can see the item details, user details in here. This is just going to be for the particular manufacturer we've got. Any order notes and the history of the board, how it's gone through production. You can see in this particular one it was for a different store and then it's been changed to stock halfway through production. Maybe these guys cancelled their order. There's a few different things we can look at in here. You can see the ID number on the left here. What we need to do now, if we want to fill any particular board orders for a retailer, is we can select the boards we want. So maybe our retailer wants a 5.8 and a 6.0, and we can have a look at magic carpets. Maybe they want these two magic carpets as well. We use these check boxes on the side and we grab all the boards that we want to allocate to our customer. Just as a bit of a fail-safe, we can also look up here and see how many items are selected. So we can see we've got 4 checked here and we can see there's 4 items selected. Now to allocate these to our customer, we just come over to Actions and click on Assign to Customer. In here, this new drop-down menu appears and it just brings in all the customers that we have. So these are all the customers for our demo surf store. So if we want to allocate these to Noosa Surf, we just click on that. We can also include a PO number, so we can type in PO 279 for example. Now once we click submit, what will happen is these boards in the stock room will get reassigned to this Noosa Surf. And so just remembering that we're filtered by the stockroom. So those boards have actually left the stockroom now because we've allocated them to our customer. So to see these boards, what we can do is go into the root find and allocate, and we can check just to make sure that those boards have been put in that allocation. So we can see here Noosa Surf. If we want to just look for those boards, they might be on a different page or further down the list. We can search up the top here for Noosa Surf as well, just to narrow down the fields. And we can see these are the 4 boards that we've assigned to our customer. So now, because they're in find and allocate, the guys in dispatch in the factory can check and have a look what's in find and allocate. They'll see these 4 boards that have been allocated to Noosa Surf and they can pack and dispatch them when they're ready to go. So that's how you allocate stock boards to a customer.